Good morning, everybody. It's day 19, August 30th. I'm at Lac Matan shelter, gorgeous shelter. Had a nice day, nice afternoon yesterday. Washed my clothes in the lake, cleaned off, had a swim. Feel pretty good. Feet are a little rough. Because I put in 29 yesterday. I think it was 29. I took an alternate trail, and sorry I didn't publish a recap from yesterday. So today I'm heading to a shelter about 10 clicks from here. Well, as the crow flies, 10 clicks. It's actually, I have to actually go back 2 clicks to go the 10, so it'll be 12. And I kind of wanted to just park there. It's at Lac de Gros Rousseau. I think I said that right. It's a nice shelter. It's not a refuge. It's not an enclosed, totally enclosed. It's like this one here. It just has a little, canvas kind of door. And then when I get there, or at least when I get to the crossroads to go there, because it's actually about a half a kilometer off the trail, I'll decide if I want to go on. The problem with going on is it's very cold, very windy, 60% chance of rain. And when it's rainy and windy, it's also sloppy on the trail. And I'm going to be at, according to this, 5,300 feet elevation. And I have to climb 1, I'm just looking at it here, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 mountains to get to the next shelter at 18 kilometers. That's a big, I might just settle into at the lake tonight, do a small one. I'm not really feeling it anyways. But like I say, I'll decide when I get there how I feel, how the day's going. Is everything soaked? Do I need to dry it out? I mean, these are all factors. It might just blow over. Like I say, it's blowing pretty hard, so whatever system is here, it could blow through. Because the wind's just howling right now. It's crazy, and it's cold. I think right now it's like 9 or 10 degrees. And it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. So anyways, that's what I have for you today. I'll keep you updated as the day goes along. A quick note though, the next few days my vlogging is going to be very scarce. I have quite a ways to go before I will see a town and or power. And right now my battery backup, my battery bank, even though it's 20,000, is already down a third. And I have to keep my inReach going at all costs, which means I need my phone and my inReach. Those will be my priorities. Vlogging is going to have to stop if I find myself in a dangerous situation with my inReach. I need to have contact to the civilized world. We're out here in nowhere. This is no man's land here. Like, there is nothing. Nobody's going to get here anytime soon if you run into an issue, into a problem. That being said, a bear did come into camp last night and was rustling around, even though I had my food hanging inside the privy because I couldn't find a good hang, because we're right on a cliff on the water, which is beautiful to look at, but hard to hang a bear bag. So I put my food actually in the privy, in the toilet. There's hooks there, and I just hung it inside there. What bear wants to go around human poop? Not many. Well, this one did. He was rustling around camp. He was trying to get into the privy. I went out, and believe it or not, and everybody's been saying this to me for years, my ringtone on my phone is hideous to them. Well, I thought if it's hideous to everybody else, it's probably hideous to a bear too. So I played it really loud, and he took off for the hills quicker than you could oh, shake a stick. That bear took. I didn't think bears could move that fast, but off he went, and he was a big one too. Like as black bears go, you know, he's probably a good 6 feet long, and about a good 3 feet high. So, anyways, that was the exciting news for last night. It was pitch black, so I couldn't get any shots of it, and it all happened so fast too. You just don't think. If I was fully packed and my camera was right there, sure, yeah, I would have got it. But I was fumbling around in the dark. First, I was trying to figure out what it was, because most things sound really big at night, really scary at night, and sometimes they end up being just a chipmunk. So, but it wasn't. It was a bear, bona fide. My first sighting, first encounter. So now I've got a lynx. I was told yesterday by one of the locals here that I ran into that there are no mountain lions here. They're lynx. They're called lynx. And I saw him about 3 days ago, and his mama. Saw at least 8 or 9 moose now, and now a bear. So I'm getting to see everything. All that's left are the caribou and the elk. It's going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, I'll get you soon. Okay, well, I'm all packed up. I left really late this morning. I can smell a campfire from across the lake. It's actually after 9. It is 9:30. Wow. That is pretty late for me. However, I am only going about 10 and a half clicks. What scares me is this. I'll try and flip it around for you. It's not working. There we go. See the clouds? See how low they are? I mean, they're literally covering the top of that mountain. You can't see the top of that mountain. The clouds are that low. That is crazy. And the wind is coming from the west. So it's coming across these mountains. I'm looking almost 90 degrees up. Oh, and here's the rain already. Shoot. It's only supposed to last about 3 hours. So the question is, should I hang out here and just ride it out? Oh yeah, it's coming in hard. Yeah, I'm gonna just hang in here for a while, guys. Okay, I'll catch you later. Alright, well, it's coming down pretty hard. Really hard. Clouds are covering the mountains. Visibility would be next to zero. I think I might stay here a couple more hours and ride this out, and maybe go this afternoon and just not try for the second shelter. Just do the 11, I think it's 10.7, whatever it is, straight up the mountain, and then settle in a little late tonight. Or I see, this is my dilemma, because then there's a big one after that. So I'll figure it out, make a choice, and I'll let you know. Okay, hey everyone. It's still day 19. I thought I'd give you an update. I'm gonna stay at Lac Matan shelter. Got in here at like 6 in the morning, but it rained, big thunderstorms and stuff from 9 to about noon. So it's still very wet. I've got 8 kilometers in the morning to go, and I might do 17 or 18 to the second shelter, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm trying to plan it so that I can get through Matan as quickly as possible. Look at these clouds covering the mountain. How beautiful is that? So that's planned for tomorrow. Got about another 150 to go to get out of Matan into Gaspésie. It's a whole different park, whole different set of rules. I'm told next weekend, the long weekend, I'm going to have a hard time getting accommodations. I may end up just having to camp in some stealth spot. I don't know. We'll see what happens because they're all booked up. Apparently, you have to book everything. So, yeah, I don't know how I'm going to deal with that. But I will. I will try. And we'll get through it somehow. You know, if we can get past that long weekend, we'll be fine. I just finished doing my bear hang. See if I can zoom in on that for you. Probably can't see it from here. One of my better ones, I think. So we're good for the night. You don't see the bag so much, the yellow one up there, but it's because it's behind those leaves. But at any rate, there's 5 of us here now at this spot, and it's getting pretty cozy. There's really only one platform left if anybody else was to come in. So it's that. It's going to be busy all the way through. Won't be getting my own shelters until later in September, when we get rid of the fair weather hikers, as I like to call them. At any rate, I think from here on in, though, I'll just take platforms when I get them, rather than the shelters themselves. So, yeah, that's all I got for you. It's day 19. It is Monday. Coming up on 3 weeks, 250 kilometers. By the time I'm done 3 weeks, I hope to have 300 done. That'll put me pretty close to being back on track. The next 150, though, are extreme elevation. Once I get out on the coast, I'll fly through the last 250. It'll be a joke because it'll be pretty level, and I can clip 35 a day on level ground. So anyways, that's all I got for you. I hope everybody's good. I'll catch up with you in the morning. Good night, everyone.